Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can zoom in CapCut using Keyframe. So just going to select your video. For example, I have an edit video, and then just going to basic and select this position and size. So in the right corner you can see the keyframe option, keyframe button, so you can just add the keyframe, uh, but you can um, just for the position and then just click keyframe. So swipe right at the keyframe again, and you can resize for the scale and swipe to right at the keyframe just for the scale as to before, but you can go to beginning like so. So here we go. Okay, it's simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.